Hi, Mr. Khan. We've been getting a lot of questions about the new asylum reforms. Please, can you explain what this is, who will be affected, and how will this be enforced?
Okay, this is very recent development. This is in UK's modern history. These are the biggest reforms, we can say that. It's been announced in Parliament yesterday, and that's why we're receiving queries and we will answer all of them. The first thing is what are the reforms are, and these reforms mean in the old regime or current regime, if someone refugee, for example, person applicant came in UK and made a claim asylum approved after 5 years, then settlement. But then according to the new regime, the settlement would be after 20 years. And second thing is, for example, if someone's status is approved and then they're going to give 30 months leave to remain here, and it will not be lead to permanent unless if someone want as an early settlement, then there's a new route they will introduce. It's called student and permit route. That's a new route they will be introducing, and in that basis the people, if the applicant switch to that route, then settlement may be sooner, otherwise it's 20 years. That's the first thing. And second thing is here, the appeal procedure going to be totally changed. Currently there is a number of steps of the appeal, but that's all going to be abolished, and the new appeal system would be a one window appeal, one appeal. The new body will be introduced, and that body, and first interview, after that if refused, then appeal, and that's it. So that's the second. And also a certification of claim, for example, if they found that the claim doesn't have a merit, it's meritless, so in that way there's no appeal right would be there as well. And thirdly, reunion won't be possible. There's no more reunion of the families from, for example, someone been granted here, current regime, applicant bring their family here, but the new regime, so it won't be possible unless the applicant switch to the designated route of student or permit. If that allows, if they fulfill the immigration requirement, then maybe a family can join, but it may not be automatically. And third thing is about the asylum sport and section 94 sport. So that will be discretion. It's not anymore, but this is not hotels anymore. If someone, for example, need sport of financial sport, not automatic, it is discretion, but in case they're going to give not a hotel, they're going to give a basically barrack of the military. So these are and there's other bits and pieces, a lot of changes there. Second part is who will be affected by that. So we are receiving calls, the people currently, for example, someone has indefinite leave to remain on refugee route, or someone has appeal pending in the court, or someone is the asylum in progress. So would they be affected? The answer is no, because this rule will be on the new people, not the current people are in progress. That's the. And third thing is when these new rules will be implemented. So for that purpose, it is because the consultation in progress. In the next year 2026, there's going to be debate in the parliament. After debate, if everything is okay, and then matter will go to a royal assent, and after that they will become a law. And we are the time for that look like is early 2027. So any application will be made in new regime, so those people will be affected, not the current regime. So that's so a summary of this quite lengthy documentation, over 20 documents, but this is the summary of that. If you need a further detail, if your matter is pending, if you need any kind of assistance, or you need any kind of advice, so call Addison and Khan Solicitors. So we'll assess your matter and will advise you accordingly. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Khan.